Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A51 and let me share with you how to check the IMEI numbers of this device. So let's start with the quicker way to do that. We need a secret code, so let's open the dialer, tap on the keypad, and let's enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. So let's tap on OK, and let me show you another way, which will be useful if, for example, you will forget about the secret code or it won't work. So we have to enter the settings, then scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone, and here scroll down. As you can see right here, we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.